If your platform has outgrown its design, it might already be costing you money. In other words, you have a good product, but it still looks and feels like an early stage company. Because when a product is not working, you know it. You get the feedback, you see the friction, and you fix it. But when the product is working and it's still not reaching its full potential, then problems are harder to spot. Users land on the website, something feels off, and they leave. The same happens with the investors. They hear a strong pitch, and they open a product that doesn't match the level of the business behind it. And just like that, credibility is gone. I've seen this pattern over and over again in 8 years of working with more than 80 companies. The most successful ones weren't just building the strongest product. Their product, brand, and website were all telling the same story. Because people trust what feels consistent. And most of the time, they don't even think about it consciously. They just trust it faster. That's what good design actually does. It makes people instantly understand the value behind what you've built. So, if your platform has outgrown its design, that's a fixable problem. And that's what we do at Nova.